Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you recover your LinkedIn account. Now to recover your LinkedIn account, simply open LinkedIn on device where you will see option like sign in with Google and so on. You need to simply enter your email address, and after that you will see the option of forget password, which is very below remember me. Simply click on it. Now if you have forgotten password, you need to reset password in quick 2 steps. Into your email or phone number and simply click on reset password. They will send you a verification code on the email which you have recently entered. Simply open Gmail on a device and check the verification code which LinkedIn has sent on your mail. Simply copy the code or simply remember it and enter on the empty box. After entering the code, you need to simply click on submit. After that, you need to create a new password for your account and retype the same password to confirm it. Now there you'll see the option of which says require all devices to sign in with the new password. If you want all the devices to sign in with the new password, simply click on the small square box and click on submit. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can recover your LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.